Paintless dent repair, which we call PDR, has been around for over 30 years. The main reason for this event is to really educate the public on the paintless dent repair. The adjusters, the insurance companies, the estimators, the body shops still don't understand what we can do, as in size, amount of dents, how fast the repairs can be done, you know, the benefits of paintless dent repair compared to conventional repair.
I just finished the PDR training seminar. Very informative, very insightful. Definitely going to bring it back to the field. Been damage appraiser for over 15 years and definitely got to see some hands-on stuff that I didn't know could happen. So definitely going to be changing the way I write.